Hey, this is Gabby from Tourism Oxford, and today I'm showing you 5 super easy and scenic trails to explore in Oxford County. So follow along and let us know in the comments which one's your favorite. The South Shore Trail at Roth Park in Woodstock boasts 6.75 kilometers of easy stroller-friendly hiking. Leave your car at 680 Highland Drive in Huron Street, where you'll find plenty of parking. There's also a picnic shelter there and washrooms available for seasonal use. This easygoing trail is a mix of paved and packed earth and winds along Pittock Lake and the Thames River. With a beautiful view of the water, there are plenty of places to sit, and you can see Pittock Conservation Area right across. Number 2 on the list, enjoy a 5-kilometer walk along the Carroll Trail in Tillsonburg. You can access this trail from 21 Van Street and leave your car parked in Coronation Park, or if you're on foot, right from the downtown or off Baldwin Street, but note that if you do that, that does involve walking down a pretty steep hill. This trail system is made of packed earth, bridges, and pavement and is easy to moderate difficulty, but does include some extremely steep hills for those searching for a challenge. If not, just avoid them. There's still plenty of trail system to use. You'll wind your way through the forest, along the banks of the Otter Creek, and through the Bridges Golf Course, all on a well-marked trail. Please remember to stay to the right and be mindful of both golfers and golf carts. You can access this trail April 30th to November 1st each year. Next up is Trillium Woods in Sweeburg, Ontario. This 1-kilometer easy loop is actually taken care of by the Ontario Park System. Made up of flat packed earth, the trail is wheelchair friendly, but we do recommend waiting a couple of days before using it if there are high winds so that the trail can be cleaned up a bit. The woods are named for the beautiful trilliums that cover the forest floor in the spring, but it really is beautiful any time of year. The trail boasts plenty of mature trees in a variety of species from American beech and red maple to red oak, sugar maple, and bitternut hickory. Finally, when you're done, pop right across the road to Jakin's Maple Farm to stock up on all kinds of mapley goodness. You might even see their maple taps while you're out for a walk in the woods. Number 4, the Thomas Ingersoll Trail. This trail in Ingersoll is 2.5 kilometers of easygoing, mostly paved walking with a few slight inclines. Starting behind the Ingersoll Cheese Museum, you can follow this trail through several lush parks, past Halls Creek, several playgrounds, a splash pad, an art center, and more right into the downtown. With plenty of spots for picnics along the way, what we recommend doing is making it into a loop for a slightly longer walk and grabbing lunch in Ingersoll's downtown, where you'll also find a few great spots like Bettina's Gifts of Art and Craft, the Old Bakery Cafe, Dwell Urban Boutique, and the Wine Cellar and Cheese Shop. Number 5 on this list of easy trail hikes is the Youth Start Trail in Woodstock. Located at 122 Dundas Street, this trail is just a 15-minute walk from the downtown and is located on the south side of Dundas Street. With plenty of parking, you can grab a spot in the lot and head on in. The Youth Start Trail is just 1.3 kilometers, but is part of the larger Millennial Trail system, made up of 3 separate trails close to one another. With lots of easygoing terrain, you'll love the tree coverage as you walk along the banks of the Thames River and forget you're in the city. Maintained by our friends at the City of Woodstock, this trail is primarily used for walking and running, but can also be used for cycling, snowshoeing, and cross-country skiing when conditions allow. Alright, so there you have it, 5 easy trails to explore in Oxford County. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because we've got lots more outdoor content to share with you. Thanks, happy trail hiking.